Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the 10 free Steam games you never played. So let's get started. On first, we have Retail Royale. Retail Royale is a chaotic battle royale inside a furniture store where everything is a weapon. It is also a survival game. On second, we have Delthy Stillness. Delthy Stillness is at the top of Steam's new and trending page. Delthy Stillness is a zombie survival game. It looks very realistic and it is fun. On third, we have Sector's Edge. Sector's Edge is an indie free-to-play first-person shooter with completely destructible environments. It is a shooting game and it is very user-friendly and it is free. Now on fourth, we have Will to Live Alone. Will to Live Alone is a shooter with elements of surviving. It is a story that is set in wastelands of the post-apocalyptic world. Player has to explore the large open world full of dangerous places, radiation, mutants, and armed survivors. Now, on fifth, we have Angerfoot. Angerfoot is a first-person shooter video game developed by Free Lives to be published by developer Digital on July. So, it is a best lightning-fast action FPS game. Now on 6th, we have Deceit. Deceit tests your instincts and trust at deception in an action-filled multiplayer first-person shooter. You just wake up in unknown surroundings to the sound of the game master's unfamiliar voice. On 7th, we have Crossout. Crossout is the post-apocalyptic MMO action game in which you can craft your unique battle vehicles from a myriad of interchangeable parts, ride them directly. On 8th, we have Polygon on Steam. Polygon is a tactical multiplayer team first-person shooter. It uses various weapons. You will also battle up with almost 32 players on large-scale maps. Now on 9th, we have Unturned on Steam. So Unturned on Steam is a survival game. You are a survivor in the zombie-infested ruins of society and you must work with your friends and forge alliances to remain among the living. On 10th, we have Operation Heart's Doorstop on Steam. It is an Unreal Engine-powered shooter sandbox similar to mode-friendly games like Ravenfield and Garry's Mod, but with roots in tactical shooters like Squad and Arma 3. This game is entirely donation-funded, completely free, and has full Steam Workshop support. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.